guys. I'm starting to get you guys comfortable using the spreadsheets. So I think it's time to move to a CRM. What really gave me this idea was our new hire, Diego. One of the things I asked him was, did you want to use a CRM as did you want to use a spreadsheet or a CRM? And he told me he wanted to use a CRM. I use a CRM. I use a regular CRM. But I know some people, they're uncomfortable with these types of CRMs. So immediately I'm signed in. So immediately it's going to take me to this. So when you see a blank screen like this, it says activity, right? No activity in the last 30 days. So this is like the intro part. I made this video because I know people may get confused on, hey, I don't see anything. I don't know what to do. Do I have to create my own? No, I already created one for you. So you come right here where it says Twilio, or you can click right here. So it gives you the option right there. So immediately it says home. I think this is the home, or you can go to Twilio. Click on Twilio. So you click on Twilio, it's immediately going to open up all the boards that I have open for you guys. So these are my recent boards that I have. So this is Diego's board. I'm going to make this somebody else's board. And this is my other connectors board. So what these boards are is a way for you just to come in again. And this is what it would look like. This is how you should be filling it out. If you have a connectors lead, it should go right here. If you have a motivated lead, it should go right here. If you have a cold lead, it should go right there. If you have if your lead is in negotiations, it should go right there. If your lead is in under contract, it should go right there. If it's being negotiated on, it should go right there. And so on and so on. So I know you're like, do I have to type this out every single time? No, you can move it to another. You can move it to another board. I mean, not a board, another file or a card, as they call it. I think that's what they call it. So for instance, I click right here. So I right click. When I right click, all these things pop up. Again, like I told you guys, I've used this. It's been a minute since I've used it, but you can move it. So now I can move it to whichever. I can move it to a different board if I wanted to. I can move this to a different a card. Yeah, a different card if I wanted to. So you can move this. You can move this to a different card if you want to. So the thing is, you want to be able to track your leads. You want to be able to know which lead, what's going on with your lead. As an investor, as a wholesaler, and as an acquisition manager, this is the crucial process to getting a W. This is the most important part, is organizing yourself, keeping track, keeping documented stuff of what's being said. So immediately, I clicked into this, and you able to leave yourself notes. You're able to type notes. You're able to type notes to yourself. You're able to hit watch, save. You can set reminders. So let's say saved it. I could delete it. I can come back and edit it if I want to. I'm gonna say test. So again, you could do that. It could show you more features that you've had right there for yourself. You can come in right there, and again, you can move it to a different board. Right here on the right, you're able to watch it, mirror it, add people in to that card. So right here, you're able to change the color of the card. Say you want it green. That's my favorite color, so I'll go with green a lot. You can create rules specifically. Again, you can create a follow-up. You could really get into it and organize yourself. Again, they have a calendar right here. You click right here, it changes the layout. It opens this up. To make that go away, you hit this button right there. Also, you can come to the side and move that. You can chat with yourself. You can leave messages. You could do to-do list. Maybe add a to-do list to call. Oh, excuse me. Set a meeting to call Bob. Now I have it set right there. I can come in and edit it. So now if I haven't called Bob, I'm going to call Bob, mark that it's called, and then immediately it's out the way. So this is your CRM. You could put all your information in here. It's a handy CRM. For those who don't feel like consistently updating the CRM, again, you are working for yourself. The tools that I provide is just because, again, I don't mind helping. But if it requires me to spend money or time that I really don't feel like doing, you might have to do it. I say all that because there's a way for you to automate this. Yes. Hold on, making a video. Hold on. So there's a way for you to automate this. You will need to purchase a tool called I think it's Lindsay.ai or conversions. It's called conversions.ai. And this tool will automate the process for you. It will go in and fully fill it out, put everything where you want it to be. There is a prompting where you have to consistently prompt it to do what you want it to do. But this is a good tool. As of right now, it's showing paid, but this is the free section. We're on the free. They're free. We want to make it free. Also, you can add carts to each day. You can hit that. How I got to it, I hit the calendar right there. Again, guys, you come right here, hit the Twilio button, and then you come right there where it says Trello workspace, and you're able to keep track of your lead or whoever lead this is or whoever file this is. So each person has their own file. We're going to have a lot more files right here. I'm going to take a lot of advantage of this actual layout, this CRM, because again, you guys are as good as you put out there. Again, I'm not your boss. You are responsible for yourself. My job is just to make sure you get paid. So, thank you guys. Have a nice